better late than never. I got the iPhone, wait, this is the iPhone 16. This is the iPhone 17. And I went with the black color. I got the black 256 gigs base, $799 if you get it unlocked. So no carrier here in the US, it's $829. But let's kind of unbox it. You've probably seen a bunch of these, but a lot of the unboxings I've seen have been with the sage color. And initially I wanted to pick that color up, but then I was like, you know what? A lot of people already picked it up. You can't go wrong with the black, and we didn't get a black Pro, so I guess this will have to do. Let's lift the box like that. Ooh. Now I did see it in stores, but kind of seeing it here in the studio, it looks a little bit better. Not gonna lie. There we go. And at times, sometimes it looks like a dark navy, like super, super dark navy, but it's definitely black. And I like how the camera, like the inner camera glass piece is even darker. It's a darker shade of black. This looks super clean. I don't know. I actually, not gonna lie, I may want to rock this. Compared to my 17 Pro, I may want to use this instead, but let's put this aside. Again, here's what we get in the box. Essentially, we just get the USB-C braided cables. I kind of wish they were color-coded, but they're not. And then we get paperwork. And you might hear my cat in the background, Chai. You know, nighttime is her zoomy time, so she's probably doing her little zoomies. But let's kind of peel this real quick. Bam. Put that aside. Let's just put the box right here for a moment. If we can kind of close it up. Bam, just like that. We got the iPad mini here to the side too. Rumors are a new iPad mini might be coming in the next couple weeks, just like a spec refresh, but I'm all for it. Anyway, there we go. There is the iPhone 17. And as a reference, here is the iPhone 16. So what do you notice looking at them just directly? Nothing really. I actually don't see anything. Looking at it from the side profile, again, nothing. Right side, nothing. Everything is really in the internals and the display quality as well. So we're finally getting 120 hertz with the iPhone 17. Finally 120 hertz ProMotion here on the base iPhone, which I am all for. Super excited finally, and I think this is actually a really good deal. Like A19 chipset, 3000 nits of peak brightness, ceramic shield, a ProMotion, a great set of cameras. Like, you really can't go wrong with the base iPhone. And I will be comparing this to other devices as well, but let's kind of set this up real quick and I'll see you guys back in a moment. All right, so we are back with the iPhone 17 here, just initial setup. And I gotta tell you, because it has ProMotion, because it has essentially the same display quality as the iPhone 17 Pro right here, like, can you tell a difference just looking at it from the front? I personally can't. I mean, from the sides, yeah, but from the front, most definitely you can't. I'm so glad they brought ProMotion. I mean, it was much needed. And if you take a look at it from the sides, yes, it's definitely a little bit thicker. Obviously, it's got the different design right here, and here is the deep blue versus the black. And I like how it has like this matte finish with the iPhone 17. And the A19 chipset, yes, it's not the Pro, but it's still a very powerful chipset, and I think it's going to get the job well done. You're going to be able to perform just pretty much essentially every task you can on the iPhone 17 Pro without worrying about it at all. And then iPhone 16, just a quick comparison again. The main difference you'll notice is in person is the display. That's where the big difference is. And I feel like it has much thinner bezels as well, and it's just so much faster. Like, I can definitely tell, and this is iPhone 16 now feels obsolete. So I'm already trading the iPhone 16 in for the iPhone 17, and I'm glad I am doing that. Next up is the iPhone Air, and stay tuned. At some point in the future, I will be picking up the iPhone Air to share my thoughts and experience about it with you guys. But so far, I'm really liking this iPhone 17. Let me know in the comments down below if I should actually make the switch like for my full-time iPhone. The reason why I say full-time is like I test a bunch of other devices too, but like my main iPhone is the 17 Pro right now. So maybe this becomes my main phone. We'll see. I mean, if it does everything the Pro does, then why not? We're gonna have to test the battery life, and the camera quality is obviously, it's great. It's an iPhone, and I had an iPhone, my 16 as my secondary iPhone for, you know, social media and for, you know, making content. So this essentially will play that same role, or maybe vice versa. I might switch. Who knows? But again, I would highly, highly recommend checking these out in person. Check out the colors, because honestly, I think color is an important factor. Believe it or not, like, you may think like, oh, I'm going to put on a case anyway, it doesn't matter. But for some, it actually is. Some people don't use cases. Some do, some don't. Like I just tend to take them off at home. I don't know why. I feel like I'm more careful at home. But again, you never know. So it's always good to have a case no matter what. Regardless, stay tuned. Definitely be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you all in the next episode.